Most people type a simple question into Claude, read the answer, shrug, and move on with their day. Let me be brutally honest. That is not using AI. That is just experimenting with it. If you are running a business, you don't have time to just experiment. You need results. Today, I am giving you the exact 6 prompts that take Claude from a basic chatbot to a genuinely useful business partner. Grab a pen, because prompt number 3 is going to completely change how you make decisions. Prompt 1, the hallucination killer. Let's start with a massive problem, AI hallucinations. How do you stop Claude from confidently giving you the wrong answer? You force it to show its math. Add this exact phrase to the end of any complex prompt. Before answering, show your reasoning step by step. Flag any assumptions or gaps, then give your final answer. This one tiny change forces the AI to process its logic before spitting out a conclusion. It dramatically reduces those confident, completely incorrect answers. Don't trust the AI blindly. Make it prove its work. Prompt 2, the expert disguise. Next up, stop asking Claude to just write an email. You are practically begging for a generic robotic response. Instead, you need to use the role-play hook. Instead of giving it a task, give it a job title. Try this. You are a senior operations manager. Write an email to a supplier pushing back on a missed deadline. Be firm but professional. Claude follows role instructions incredibly closely. When you give it a persona, it adopts the vocabulary, tone, and strategic thinking of that specific expert. Use it to your advantage. Prompt 3, the reality check. Alright, here is the one I promised you. Want to know if your new business plan is actually garbage before you waste money launching it? Make Claude roast you. Use this prompt to turn Claude into a ruthless thinking partner. Here is my plan. Paste your plan. Play devil's advocate. What are the 3 most likely ways this fails? This completely changes the dynamic. Claude is no longer just a drafting tool. It becomes your board of directors, pointing out your blind spots before they cost you cash. Prompt 4, the format forcer. How much time do you spend reformatting the massive walls of text Claude gives you? Stop doing that. The next hook is all about control. Set the output format up front. Claude takes formatting instructions literally. If you don't specify, it decides for you. So tell it exactly what you want. Respond only in bullet points, maximum 5. Or, give me your answer as a table with 3 columns. Dictate the format, and you get instantly usable content you can copy and paste directly into your presentations or emails. Prompt 5, the compound effect. Here is the biggest mistake beginners make. They ask Claude to write a massive 10-page document in one single prompt. The result is always a mess. You need to use the chaining hook. Do not ask Claude to do everything in one go. Break it down. Step 1, ask it to draft an outline. Step 2, review and tweak that outline. Step 3, prompt. Now write section 2 using this outline. When you chain your prompts, the quality of each step compounds. You stay in the driver's seat, and the final output is 10 times better. Prompt 6, the mental reset. Finally, what happens when you have a million things on your plate and you don't even know where to start? Let's clear that mental clutter in exactly 10 seconds. Just brain dump your day. Paste everything on your to-do list, every random thought, email you need to send, and meeting you have, into Claude. No special formatting needed. Just write what is in your head and add this prompt. It is like having an executive assistant instantly organize your chaos so you can actually get to work. Here is the hard truth. The difference between average AI output and excellent AI output is almost never the tool. It is always the instruction. If you want to stop playing with AI and start using it to grow your business, you need to save this video right now so you can copy these exact prompts later. Which of these 6 prompts are you going to try first? Let me know down in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. Hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense AI strategies for your business, and I'll see you in the next one.